Here's a quick tip. Always make sure you pre-press your garment to get all the wrinkles, and then the most important, the moisture. You want to get all the moisture out. You do want to get the wrinkles because you don't want your transfer to lay on a wrinkled shirt, otherwise it just won't come out good. And you want to get the moisture out because your transfer will definitely not stick properly, and when you wash it, it will come right off, or maybe in a couple of days your customer will complain. So make sure you always pre-press before you press. Just do it for a few seconds, 5 seconds tops. And after pre-press, that's what it will look like. Nice, clean, and ready for you to put your transfer on it. All right, so this is, don't forget, this is the Econo transfer vinyl. Okay, let me just make sure everything peeled out. I didn't miss anything. Good to go. So now when you're gonna press your shirt, it's gonna come out great. I always hit my vinyl twice to guarantee that it stays on the shirt. See all the steam? That is why you must pre-press before you put your transfer on. Okay, you guys remember the one that I put the H and the B on? Let's press it up now. Econo transfer, baby. 12 minutes. I'm sorry, 12 seconds. Guys, just learned something from your boy. You just learned something from your boy. Like I said, I always hit it twice because it guarantees it will stay nice. And there we go. This is the H that didn't cut right, and the B. Now what I'm doing is, since there's wrinkles on the shirt, I want to make sure I don't send it out to my customer. Whoa! I want to make sure I don't send it out to the customer wrinkled. So you guys always make sure you press those wrinkles out. Doesn't take long. Just get those wrinkles out so your customer get a nice unwrinkled shirt. Whoops. No, that's fine. Okay, so let's go. Can you guys see the steam? Look at that, look at that. Ooh. So this is a headband. Actually it's a bandana. Sorry, it's a bandana. Bandana number 2. Watch the steam, baby. Look at that. Ooh, that is why it's so important to pre-press. You know what? I'm gonna press the whole thing right now. You notice it didn't steam because I already got all the moisture out. Second baby. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, so now I'm just gonna bag them, tag them, and get them out to the customer.